Current affairs. Government of India set to reduce 50% of accidental deaths by 2030. eSaksi app launched to track the fund flow under MP Lads, Member of Parliament, Local Area Development Scheme. Pakki Paga Hornbill Festival will be celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. Gujarat, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu was ranked as the best performing state in Startup Ranking 2022. It was released by Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. The end-to-end secure mobile ecosystem developed by Indian Army is Sambhav Secure Army Mobile Bharat version. In world's strongest currency rank list, the rank of Indian rupee is 15. The rank of India in military strength rankings 2024 is 4. Pragnananda becomes India's #1 chess player. Article 58 deals with qualifications of election as president. 69th Amendment accorded special status to the Union Territory of Delhi. Atal Pension Yojana was launched on 2015. Viluppuram district has highest well irrigation in Tamil Nadu. Thank you for watching this video. ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், கிளியர் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ.